Today we are going to be replacing the shifter bushings. As you can see, there's a massive amount of play in gear. That's actually in gear. This is neutral. So I got some shifter bushings. We're gonna get these bad boys in. So we have a full inch of play. So we'll see if we can reduce that a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that bushing. That is super worn down.
As a good, safe bicyclist, you'll be respected by the people of your community. For you are proving to your friends and neighbors that bicycling can be both fun and
I see
safe.
a spring. Oh, what is that? Well, it looks like there was absolutely no point in unbolting this after all, since what you do next is basically push down on this. Yes. See the other bushing. It doesn't even have one. Oh, it's in there. Okay. Oh yeah. Woo. Well, this is just disgusting. Look at the size of this. There's no way that that thing that I pulled out was the only thing in there. This is why there was so much play in the shifter. It disintegrated. This is all that's left of the bushing, is all this plastic garbage. Look at it all. I'm dropping it. Look at this shit. There's more. There's plenty more in here. Look at all that. Oh yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is the old bushing. So out with the old. Messy fingers are for now, but a smooth Toyota shifter is forever. Ugh. Oh yeah. Alright, now let's get this piece of shit off of here. Look at the difference in thickness. This is gonna be like night and day. Okay, so got the new bushing in there. Press this sucker in here real quick on the bed. Honestly, this bushing is a little loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but I'm sure it'll be better than the way it was, so. Alright, so we gotta line these up with the pegs in the side. And then push this in and turn it. Oh, there we go. All right. Woo. I don't know what the right tool is for that job. It's not whatever I just did, but so now. Oh, I'm gonna call that installed. Whew. Installed. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Maybe you can tell it's a little bit cleaner. I know there's still shit from my hands on it. So we're just going to tighten these back up here. All right, now let's get our measurements. So this is in, wow, that feels so good. All right, so this is in first. This is all the way to the left. And that's it. Oh my God, that's amazing. We went from 1 inch of play to 1/4 inch of play. Oh man, that's night and day different. Oh, that's awesome. That is so worth the hour and the dirty hands. Should have worn gloves. I'm gonna have to put goof off on, but yeah, that's it. It's got the 4-wheel drive mud flaps. Anyway, this is the truck. There she is. So maybe we'll take it out for a little ride. Really feel out the new shifter. I'm pretty freaking excited. This is awesome. Da-da-da. I moved the seat. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Ba-ba.
It zoomed in on the cable.
So you gotta sing.
I'm sorry.
It's a truck. Oh, oh, dude. Oh my God, I can feel where it's going. This is amazing. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, it feels so good. Oh my, there's no vagueness. It's so perfect. There are leaves. Ah! Oh, why? Ah! It'll be easier to clean than the straw. good sport, letting me borrow her to film this little conclusion to the video. So.
Hi. Keep your hands on the wheel.
Aren't you gonna get yours?
No, I'm just enjoying you doing it.
You're like, no, they're all yours, Eric. It's your truck. Oh yeah. Oh.
You're gonna hurt your car. A truck. Vehicle.
How dare you say car when you meant truck? Unbelievable. OMG. OMG. Wow, even reverse feels amazing. Alright, let's blow this popsicle stand. Oh, there are leaves everywhere. It's like I've never been in a car this impoverished before, Eric. Thank you for opening my eyes. Ugh. Hey, we got all the leaves out of the bed. That's the end of the technique. Hey, I got dirty hands. Who would own a four-wheel truck? Who would own a four-wheel drive truck and not know? No. Who would own a four-wheel drive truck and not know how to operate the